Hey there crazy couponers, it's me Eric and welcome back to my channel. So I'm here to cover the deals that are happening for 6/17/2018 and going all the way till Saturday for I think it's 6/22/2018. So pretty much there's quite a bit of deals going on, including a spend 30 get $10 off instantly when you purchase select L'Oreal, Maybelline and Garnier stuff. So I'm gonna put together a deal for that as well. And as far as that, there's other deals like Gain and Tide, part of spend 20 get 5 on select P&G household products. So I'm going to show you how to put together that kind of deal as well. So other than that, let me take you guys around the store. Let me show you what we got going on this week, and if you want to learn how to coupon, then come along with me.
Yeah, every day that's you and me, all day that's us, boo. Came through with that new thing, see I don't know why I trust you. Crazy now, I'm just too on.
Okay, so the first deal that I will, okay, first of all, let me clear this up because it looks kind of just not, okay, there we go. Yep, that's all lined up and perfect. Well, except for that one. Anyway, yeah, that's just how I am. I like to just make sure everything's up. There we go. So the first deal I will be doing is on the Gillette Venus Women's Razors. These are $8.99 regular price, and part of a promotion, when you buy 2, you get a $10 extra buck, and the limit for that is 1. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pick up 2 of these razors, and you can use the $3 off one manufacturer coupons in the 6/17 Retail Me Not insert, or if you have these blinkies, these are actually blinkies, for $3 off any one Gillette or Venus razor or refill pack. You can use 2 of these and you're gonna bring your total to $17.98. Use 2 of these manufacturer coupons for $3 off one. You're gonna drop the price down to $11.98, but then you're gonna get back that $10 extra buck, which makes the final price $1.98 for 2 or 99 cents a piece, which is actually a crazy deal. Also, if you're also received a $6 off 2 Venus or Gillette razor coupon, stack that, and that is going to be an instant moneymaker, like a $4.02 moneymaker. So if you have that CRT, make sure you smash it with this deal, and you're going to leave here with some free plus moneymaker razors. So stock up. Here's the $3 off one Venus razors coupon that I was talking about from the 6/17 Retail Me Not insert. So you can use these as well for the Venus. So stock up. Okay, so the next deal that I will be doing is on the Gain detergent and on the Tide Pods over there. So these are priced at $4.94 each, and when you spend 20, you get a $5 extra buck, and it's a limit of 1. So you can do this deal 1 per card, and so I've already got those in my cart. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick up 2 of the Gain, and I'm gonna pick up 2 of the Tide Pods over there. So in the P&G, we still have those $2 off one Tide Pods that expire on the 30th of June, so a whole month for these coupons. So if you still have them, you can do this deal. And then also I have $2 off one manufacturer coupons from the 6/17 Retail Me Not insert, which also expire on the 30th. So $2 off any Gain powder, Gain flings, or Gain liquid detergent, whatever be the case. So pick your poison. So 2 of the detergent. I think the powder is also, I don't think the powder is part of it either, but see, you can also get the Tide powder as well. The Gain Botanicals. You can also get the Tide liquid over there. So yeah, so there's still plenty of options. So what you're gonna do is, oh here, I need to kind of zoom out a little bit. Oh, well, I can't. So pick up 4, and you're gonna bring your total to $19.76. You're gonna use 2 of the Gain and 2 of the Tide Pod coupons from the P&G and the Retail Me Not inserts, and you're gonna leave the store paying $11.76, but you're gonna get back that $5 extra buck, which makes the final price $6.76 or $1.69 a piece, which is definitely not bad, and it's actually a really good deal for liquid and Tide Pods. So if you're in need, definitely stock up. Okay, so let's go ahead and do a deal with this $10 off $30 on any L'Oreal, Maybelline, and select Garnier. So we're gonna see the ad, and we're gonna put together a deal for you guys here, and let's see how this goes. Okay, so part of the spend 30 get 10 off is on the Garnier Skin Active Care. These are regularly priced at $8.99, so I'm going to focus on these. But you buy 2, you get a $5 extra buck. There are no, well, there are coupons, but I don't have any. I guess it's probably just regional, but I'm going to pick up these 2 and they're going to be $17.98. And I'm going to show you what else I could combine with this. So I've already got 2 in my cart. And the last thing I'm going to be picking up is on the Maybelline mascaras. These guys right here, the ones in the green and pink bottle. These are priced at $5.99 each, and when you buy 2, you get a $5 extra buck, and it's a limit of 1. So also in the, what you call it, the 617 RMN, there are $2 off 1 manufacturer coupons, so I'm going to go ahead and use 2 of them. And then also I have a $3 off 12 cosmetics purchase. So with that said, these will actually be free if I were to just use the $2 coupons and the 3 off 12 and then get back that $5 extra buck. But I'm gonna combine it with the spend 30 get $10 off. So but yeah, it's gonna make to be a great deal, and definitely stock up.